I came in with leg pain and buttock pain. I could not sit and I could not stand. And I am a construction worker, and it hurt me so bad that I had to just stay home and get relief. And the only way I could get relief was lay down. I came to see, I was taking pain pills. I was taking one a day supposedly. The pain got so bad I had to take 4 a day to keep going. My pain left me in my legs and buttock, and I've been good ever since. I've been going like a champion, working on a remodel, and I've almost completed it, thanks to the doctor. Thank you. I no longer take pain pills. I've thrown away